Hey guys, once again welcome back to the Ops Master. I hope everyone is doing well. In this video, I am going to show you how to create AWS code pipeline which creates EC2 instance using CloudFormation. And also we are going to discuss what is CloudFormation template and why it's used for, and how to generate that template using ChatGPT for our EC2 instance creation. This video is going to be informative. Please like the video and subscribe to DevOps Master for more content related AWS and DevOps. So without wasting time, let's get started. To implement this, you need one AWS account. AWS provides 1 year free trial. So go and create one AWS account. So before creating our code pipeline, you need CloudFormation template. CloudFormation template is nothing but one JSON file, text file, which have all the instructions to create our infrastructure. Like it is a blueprint for our infrastructure creation. Everything we anything that we mention in our YAML file, it will be created using CloudFormation. So let's create our one repository in CodeCommit to storing that file. Okay, first of all we need to move on to code commit. Go to console and search for code commit and open it. Here you will find one option to create repository. Click on create repository. Okay, go back. I have already created one repository. Here you can see CloudFormation. Inside that you will see one file EC2 instance.yaml. This is the file, we can say template file. Here you can see AWS template formation version uh, 2010 this is just a template formation version. Okay, resources web server, I will be naming it as the web server. Type AWS EC2 instance. So these all things are like instructions to create like configurations to create our EC2 instance. Like image ID, this is the AMI Amazon mission image. This is the Ubuntu machine image, and instance type T2 micro. So these are this some basic configurations to create our EC2 instance. So I will be showing you how to create this file using ChatGPT. Okay, come to ChatGPT, search. Let me press this here and give a prompt to ChatGPT like act as a AWS cloud architect and write one cloud formation template to create a EC2 instance using default security group. Then just write this prompt and search. It will generate one template file for you. Search. Here you can see AWS template formation. This is description, resources, my EC2 instance. You can give any name you want. Type, this is the type. Okay, properties, instance type T2 micro, image ID, and replace with valid AMI ID for your region. Okay, security group default, tags, key, value, my EC2 instance. Okay, outputs, instance ID, description. So this is the proper like file to create EC2 instance using CloudFormation. Just copy this one and copy this one. Come here and click on edit. Just okay, paste here. I'm pasting here. Control V and copy this AMI. This is a valid AMI, that's why, and just remove this one. Done. And in the place of AMI, paste this one. Done. Okay. Now my city instance saying something. My city instance. giving some error. Just remove this one, no need of outputs. Okay, now we need to commit changes. Author name is answer, email address answer sheikh 965 done. Now commit changes, done. Okay, now we need to create code pipeline. Search for code pipeline. Okay, open this one. Okay, before creating code pipeline, we need to give one role, we need to create one role for our cloud formation to access our EC2 instances and create EC2 instances. For that we need to go to the IAM, go to IAM, and here come at left side you will see role, select role, and at the top you will see one yellow color create role. Click on create role and AWS service, select AWS service, this is the service role. Okay, and select service as cloud formation. Okay, we are creating role for cloud formation, so select cloud formation next. And here you need to give permissions of EC2 instances. Our cloud formation need to have full access of EC2 instance to create EC2 instance. Next, role name I will be naming it as EC2 Cloud Formation role. Okay, done. Here you can see cloud formation. This is assume role, create role. Done. Role is created. Come to code pipeline, and here you will see create pipeline. Click on create pipeline and name your pipeline. I will be naming it as EC2 Cloud Formation. Done. V2, everything new role, it will create new service role. That's it. Scroll down, advanced, and artifact store is default location, it will store artifacts in Amazon S3. And that's it. Click on next. Here source provider means from where we are going to get our files to create pipeline, like its source code, code commit, and from which repository, CloudFormation EC2, and branch, main branch. That's it. And change detection option, we will be using default Amazon CloudWatch events, and you can select and you can select AWS code pipeline for our triggering. But if we will use CloudWatch events, it will be more quicker. Output artifact format, code pipeline default. That's it. Next. And build, if you want to use build stage you can, but no need of build stage in this like pipeline, so I will be skip. And deploy, we will be using cloud formation for our deployment. Region US East 2, yeah, US East 2, here you can see US East 2. That's it. Action mode, create or update the stack. Okay, cloud formation uses stacks to create infrastructure on AWS. Stack name, naming it as my stack. Done. Template, source artifact, file name. We need to provide our file name. If you go to our code commit, let's go to code commit. Here you will find our file name. Okay, this is the file name. Copy this one, come to pipeline and paste here. So use this file to create infrastructure like EC2 instance. Role name, just now we have created EC2 cloud formation role. Give it is, that's it. Next. Okay, done. Create pipeline. It will create pipeline. Okay, here you can see pipeline is triggered. Source, it will take retrieve all, it will retrieve that file EC2 instance YAML file. Then it will start creating deployment. If we go to AWS CloudFormation, here you can see one stack is created, my stack, creating in progress. If we move to events, here you will find my EC2 instance creating in progress, my EC2 instance creating in progress, my stack. So it's started creating. If I go to my EC2 instances, here we will find two instances done, running, initializing. It's just created my EC2 instance. Here you can see my EC2 instances. And if I go to pipeline, it's still running. I think we refresh, it will show. So you can see succeed. Deployment is succeeded. And in CloudFormation, if I refresh, it will show creating completed, done. And here our instance is, oh, here our instance is running. So that is it for today, guys. You saw that how to create a AWS code pipeline which creates EC2 instance using CloudFormation, and also how to generate CloudFormation template using ChatGPT. What is the prompt for that? If you find this video informative, please like it and subscribe to DevOps Master for more content related DevOps and cloud, and click on the bell icon for notification whenever I post video. We will meet in next video. Take care.